So I'm working on this little talk timer app here, and the AI suggested a solution to failing playwright tests, which I've been setting up, and that solution turned out to be wrong. So specifically what was happening here was I got a first test case going here where it's simply looking at all the buttons. There's 3 buttons on the screen, and it's expecting them all to be disabled initially. And then you can see here, I asked what do I have? GitHub Copilot set up here. I asked it, why is the playwright test failing, but looking at it in the browser, the behavior is correct. And it was saying stuff about timing issues in the browser, like making sure they're happening after DOM content loaded, or they're in set timeouts or stuff like that. And ensure the disabling code runs as soon as possible. So it was really around timing stuff. But Playwright already does this. Playwright does a lot of auto waiting before, specifically in this page go to call before that. So it already waits for the load event. So that's really already handled here. So it turned out what was happening was there was a previous suggestion from an AI prompt before where I think if I undo it, it'll show up. Let's see. Yeah, here we go, right? It was doing, right, it was suggesting using the file protocol and directly finding the index.html file, which turns out was not what we wanted to do. And you can see that here when I fixed it, and then I informed the AI that none of those were working, and then I detailed what actually was happening, and I got a response of oh, thank you for clarifying. And yes, looking at the documentation, I see that yes, you do actually, it's intended to be set up with actually serving files over serving a site over a web server, and Playwright has great support for setting up web servers like that. So yeah, thought I would share that fun thing I ran into here tonight.